Oh, you can come tomorrow.
Yeah, okay. I will come with my brother.
Yeah, sure.
So that's nice.
Sure. Oh, sure.
Because I will also need.
Hold a hand and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley.
Hello. Are you guys twins? Are you guys twins? I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing fine over here. We are at the Butch Mall, Best, whatever. So just coming here to check some stuff, some good stuff. Hopefully we are gonna get something fast. So you guys are gonna view with us. What's going on? How much better? Yeah, we're gonna view with us, and yeah, man. For now, bus. I went to Bedrest, and these were old cars, very pricey. I wouldn't advise anyone to buy a car from an auction because sana I think wait, if you are a man, but if you are a woman, I just leave it. Sure. Kutheni
I think kumele simxelele ngalento le ayibona azoyilungisa nayo ngoba kumele bifake asikrebe ezinye zicheck around
check it. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm fine over here. This is Sheila. We are going to get or to finalize our car thing. We are buying a brand new car. Cash! We are buying, I'm going with my brother. Yeah, he likes
hello,
things.
friends.
Hey family. Hey family. So I'm going with him. We are gonna go and finalize this thing, go to the banks so that they can release the money.
And don't believe a lie.
Yeah, but then I'm sure we're gonna see this video after.
Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet.
After 2 months, but you're not gonna see it before she pray for that car. Bye for now, but I will show you some clips. Yep.
Yeah. Yini indaba ngathi anifuna ufota nje manje? Lesikade esikhuluma ngayo ne sothatha yona ningasabi yasabi mafethu ngothuki
Very easy. Spider-Man. Tuzikhala kahle uyaziva.
Hold her hand.
Kumele ukuthi ngithathe
And don't believe a lie. Mind. Hold a hand. And don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley. Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach. Like the angels do. And you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And I'ma wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher. Fly up out the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army. Ready when the truth act up, nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways. But it's harder on the cold days. Cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never.
Yo guys, yeah, I was kinda, I don't know, I was kinda disappointed. But then we sorted out. I was not sure about which color I wanted. So I said to him, I will take any of the colors. But then I told myself that I'm going to take the white one. And I also told him it's a white one. But then, unfortunately, someone came before me and purchased the white one. And to be quite honest, I got a huge discount. This guy, as much as he didn't made a lot of profit or commission on my purchases, he made something. However, we resolved the issue, man, because I felt like, you know what, I was already thinking over the amount of money that he decreased from the actual price of the car, because my car came with a lot of other stuff that I asked for, however, in a very low price, you know. And just to advise you, if you want to buy a car and you want to buy it cash or you've got a huge discount, please don't go at the beginning of the month, because at that time they don't care whether you come back or not. Go there towards the end of the month, because they want to reach their targets, they want to make their commission. Yeah, the problem was that we're just now arguing about the color of the car. To be quite honest, I thank God that he actually sold the white one. I got the gray one, and I really, really, really love my car. When I'm looking at the white one, I'm like, you know what, why did I want a white one? Because the gray one, it's nice. So we resolved that issue because this guy gave me a good deal. I do not want to lie. I got it. Good deal. I'm not going to tell you how much is it. But then before you go and buy a car, watch a lot of YouTube videos to get all the tricks, whether you're going to have a huge deposit or you're going to buy it in cash. I don't know if you're going to buy it in like 100% credit.
Oh my God!
Pico!
Jesus!
Pico was a dog.
Jesus! We are ready for the man and for the boat money to chips in a phone. I know,
Oh my God.
Yini video kan?
No,
Oh.
34.
Kamthathe.
Yeah, at long last, after uhamba ngekorokoro kani.
Cela ajule bonisa ukuthi njani imoto yakhe.
Itrapsukis after itrapsukis.
Nissan Magnite. Easy shift. Eh. La kuseqala ke bajubuza ngama petrol ukuthi akhona emotweni. Brand new Macy's kumele ibe khona ipetrol.
Andithi ubaxelela ukuthi
Yo, Aisha, Mina, I'm such a crybaby. I'm such a crybaby. Now I'm editing this, but I'm still crying. Like, why am I crying? I still cannot believe shit. I'm in this belief. Nyan. Oh, nkulunkulu wami ndiyabulela Jehova ngale moto. Yo, asana. I thank everyone that came with. So grateful to have siblings like Manana Masekaya, people that I go to church with, like Ndando who came. Like, I'm so grateful, Sister Ndando. People who knows, man, how to cheer me up, because if I had to come here alone with my kids, I was going to be crying. Yeah, well. So, yeah. Hi, Putti. And there's my niece. Yo, Sada, guys. Please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.